All you stagnant people on Dinah's name, go Luke walk. You've been riding this woman like a donkey out of Jerusalem. Go Luke walk, John Crows.
Pleasant afternoon, Speak My Mind family. Pleasant afternoon. Wherever in the world I come from, big up my Caribbean people them, all of the people them from United States of America, Canada, England, and everywhere else in the world where I support the channel. Big up on yourselves. You know, I come out here to do a little video. I don't think the video is going to be too long, but you know sometimes when I start talk, or when I come to do a 10, 15, 20 minutes video, it will go at 40 minutes. You know, I got to address a little thing when I see Marcia, she run out. I know she can't hold her own. And it a touch closer to her birthday. Little flan sitting where she a keep. Where she don't know where she stand in keeping this thing. Whether she a keep it for earn. She a keep it for accommodate 100 out of the 300-400 somebody where the land can hold. Or she just a keep it for enjoyment. She still don't know which she there. Because there is so much back and forth and flip-flop with what she said in promoting this party before it even reached down to this stage. So we don't know. But we know them strategy when it come on to whether selling them goods, or whatsoever. We don't know one somebody name of it involved. So it's either them a sell them goods, them have to use the woman name for promotion. Them want views on them channel, them want promote them channel, them have to use the woman name for get the attention from the crowd. We all know that. Alright? And them always try to use it in a derogative way. Them never try to use the woman name in a good way yet. Because them feel like when them use it in a bad way, it sell. Yes, it sell. But what you earn from it? You earn nothing from it. And I'm not talking about earning financial gain now, but what you really earn from it in coming out here to fabricate stories where this woman is concerned on her day-to-day life, whatever she do on her platform, whatever she do in her yard, her kitchen, or with her people them around her who she associate herself with. Why fabricate stories? You understand? But we know it just boil down to one thing: jealousy. The progress of the woman having a life because she comes enough for in a social media according to Uno and a Uno first. But in a life, I always hear them say God no answer bad prayer. But I one thing me know, God no answer bad prayer, but Him punish we for our bad deeds. Right or wrong? Comment section, talk to me. True or false? God don't answer bad prayer, but He do punish us for our bad deeds. What we give out is what we get back. In other words, you can't plant red peas and at the end of the season and a peanut season come in, you look for a reap peanut. When a red peas you sow. So what you sow is what you reap. And we have seen a lot of them, I should say, in social media, where them operate a business and it's like the business just can't bloom. You plant the flowers and you plant the flowers and it's a blooming flowers. It's not just a flowers where you just plant it and it grow and it just have one leaf, green leaf, and just stay green until the leaf dry up and drop off and it plant. No, it bloom with it grow with flower with leaf and bloom flowers are some farmer thing. And when you're going into a business, you're going into that business for it to prosper and you see progress where the business is concerned, so you can know if you take another step forward or backward. And most of these people in a social media do business who every day that God send, Every tick the clock tick. Them find the time to watch out Dana business. And watching out Dana business and I watch the progression of Dana business. And at the same time watching the progression of Dana business, they don't try to, copy them what Dana do or try to copy what Dana do, because they might not be perfect in doing what she do, but try to copy it now and see where it would go. No, them don't do that. Them take the time out, put for them business aside, to come at Dana business where progress. And they are so fool that over a period of time, them say she and the old lady are try it not work. Them join together, them see it not work. Them still a try it. And then you have some little idiot come after them. We try to do the same thing. So them not learn. It just come like the youths them right now in the surrounding where I grew up. Them grow up come here, so them uncle and them cousin involved in this and them brother involved in this and them past and get analyzed through this. And them grow and do the same thing. Because them not learn. So it coming like some of them. So, me have one little video before me get into the master video. Me go show you one little video why me come and me and speak this. Me go highlight one individual before me get into the master video. I'm going to highlight one individual. So, in the meantime, you know what to do. It is so easy to do the do. It not cost you no $1 to do the do. More than it's so easy. Like, share, subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel and you find yourself at the 18% and you continue to watch the videos, which I am seeing you people continue to watch the video in that 18%, please take yourself out of it if you are not a hater of this channel. If you're just a scroller or a hater, I can't do anything. But please, if you are not a hater and you love where you're going, check your phone as if you subscribe, because video might be popping up in your timeline and you now realize, right, but me not subscribe to him and I like him channel and I like what I do. Yeah. Check if you subscribe. And if you're not subscribed, just hit that subscription button now. And hit the post notification bell. So when you get a video drop, you will get notified. And take yourself out of that 18% there. As I said, that percentage supposed to be at even 10 or 15 the most percentage. So I can't say, alright, them they are haters. But if you find yourself in the next 3.5, take yourself out of it. You don't want in there. Alright? And remember, follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Where it possible if you just pop up with some live anyway. Because right now, anytime I go nowhere now, I go make sure I have some data on my phone. I don't like the data thing. And this is one of the main reasons I don't like go live. Because the service provider them out here poor. I don't like go live and I go live and I glitch. I don't like that something there. That's why I like prefer in a Wi-Fi when I go live. But follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. There's a lot of things that are possible to see over there. And as you know, I do a day-to-day commentary. I'll 2-3 videos a day I post over there. You know, videos will make sense. Alright, some people will like it, some won't. And remember, the cash app is there. You ask, sorry, $ Charms and Trends. When you give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy and not the greedy. Yeah, alright? Just like TikTok, I am not over there to beg any lion and a zion and a whale and a pale. But if you have an account over there where you normally gift TikTokers who you like, and you feel like send a gift come, no problem, I will accept it. Because when you send that gift, it also help me to help the needy. Put pan the liquor where me can put pan and give a bag of food or a 2 or a 3 bag. Alright? Yes. And the cash app is there, as I say, but I want to ask you to give me gift to the needy. And I have my website, Charms and Trend. That shop that my t-shirts and my caps on is another way. You can buy a cap or a t-shirt, and we have combos over there, and anything you see on the website, you can get it into Speak My Mind merch. You know, when you buy them something too, you give me a privilege also to take from that to give back to the needy and not the greedy. So there are so many ways you can support giving back to the needy. You understand? Yes, you can follow the Instagram page, Charms and Trend, Charm_and_Trends on Instagram. Anything you see today, get it customized. Just drop in the DM for it. Alright? People, this is one such person in a social media who tear down Dana. And when I say tear down, I mean tear down the woman. Right? I remember when this girl over tell like the one them called cartoon. Some breeder behavior over there on Dana name. And she feel like she have more hooligan than anybody else and she brawling than anybody else. You know, she go on with herself and she tear down the woman. And I live to see them separate. You understand? And kick her out of the camp. And she fall upon hard times. She were on hard times before. Because some place, Mr. She rent and she came buy a toilet seat, she cost landlord. After landlord rent him, because you rat a castle now for 4,000, 6,000 and you're desperate, you go in there, you see to want a toilet seat. You can't go buy that. Them time they're about 1,000 or 1,500 for your toilet seat. If so much. And you couldn't buy that. So you depend on hard times, long time. Nothing wrong with hard times. I only probably fall for hard times. Not for we start for hard times and can't move off hard times. But you see your ways in a social media, you can't progress in a life. Touch not the anointed. You understand? And touch not the anointed for no reason. From that girl that left the camp, you know, she worse. Tell like camp, but worse she get worse. Cartoon. And the thing about it, ask me how me know. These are not people who can hide them business from social media. They are so connected to social media because they solely depend on social media to earn $1. Okay, you see them going them hard working and them solely depend on social media for earn $1. So because of that, them can't hide them personal business out of social media. So they will always come out here with it. If you go on her TikTok page, me say, it's like, me have to wonder if it's a fireburn and people just get some fireburn things and I move. One bag of old sitting where she did have like a one place where she did live and the people them get notice and she have a left a place and a look place to live and can't live there and catching a one shop. Most of them supposed to see. And I talk about she have the shop with her baby, her grand picnic and where look sympathy on social media. One chuck load, not only a chuck load, about 2 chip the chuck off make her one small chuck with one bag of whole sitting. Them mildew, them dirty, them stain up, them this and all kind of sitting to them lock up long. Watch this girl I know, this is the bar. Wanna look, see it there? Wanna see it? I'm gonna show now. She have the things them lock up in the bar. And after she get the notice, how long? Watch it, that has soda and Gatorade and them sitting there expire, she a ball. After dash them way. This is when you trouble God's anointed. Wanna look people and listen at the same time.
Come here for your show. Because when me that tell me say me I take no some help to stack out my bar. We finish my bar, see that show me for your show. See you know how much money this. You know the amount they are supposed to be. Money but they are show everything they all expire. Then you know all of it. See them drunk, bro.
You understand? And as I say, if you go up on our TikTok page, you see the thing they just throw it all about. Which part she get for rent, I don't even know is suitable. Me don't know. This girl I don't even look now is suitable. Where she have to have no responsibility to pay like $120,000 or $130,000 rent. And it's like she always want 2-room and 3-room house. The house where she gonna live in right now, a board floor. Nothing wrong with board floor. But at the same time, the type of person who is in a social media, I spend time and fasting on people business on a life want to sort out. Your life want to sort out. And you feel worry. But it's still you worry in a people business. Your life want to sort out. And you feel worry. You understand me I say to the people? One another look at all right at castle. All it look like them just buy like a paint and dab it up. I don't know paint make all place look good. Me say, oh, don't worry man, your board floor, I forgot about me. I fix up the floor still and wait. If you couldn't buy one little toilet seat for $1,500 and you cost the landlord to him come and ask you for him rent, where you pay $4,000 for one little room. A board floor you go fix up. But this is how me I try to show now. These people in a social media wasting time and other people business. You understand? And feed them wanna melt you like butter against sun. Anyway, me can move on. Anyway, me get up since evening, people, and I see that video with Marcia. Marcia got all the way at Instagram, a Fast Bandana page. Marcia, you should shame for come and say, you go over Instagram, go see. Because you willfully go over there, go search. Or you willfully just follow up the woman on her platform, then we should have to see what she doing, what she saying. If you did see this over Facebook or YouTube, it's not bad enough so bad. But Instagram, and you have a heart to come out here, come and talk, Marcia. The woman must come out and do a little video or make a post. I don't know if it's a post or a video. What she talk about, I show her, because I think I see it. Yes, I think it was a post that she make. And she show her bed and I show her around and I say, boy, about something about hotel and whatsoever. Marcia take it up on her head as usual and say she the woman attack. All because the woman must talk about hotel. So Marcia is the only person that sleep in the hotel, especially in this diaspora of social media. And if the woman are making a general speech, how can you go out of your way and pick up that and own it, sir, you? But what? Another strategy again. You understand? This is just another strategy. You claim to say you take a few days off social media and you're not coming back until after your party, but at the same time, you can't stand your heel. You can't stand your ground. You post night and day upon your platform. Night and day in everybody comment, especially Baby James, because him out there now going with himself. So you join the background and in him comment section every day. If not, sometimes y'all call in. You take up yourself and you splice and you chip and you this and you post some piece video. You come out and beg people not to post back these videos and make it look like it's something you have done. So why you post them? And you cut them up and put them out there. If people see them and feel like take them and run it and feel like a since week, or last night, or today you do it. And highlight what you say. The people them have a right. Yes, the people them have a right. Because if you ever feel like said them shouldn't do it, why do you post it then? Anyway, she come out here for Dana with the post that Dana make. So we are going to listen to her. We could get into it. Remember the video not supposed to too long, you know.
Face with rose water and aloe and herbs. And my neck. Yes, my dear. So that is what I do. Yeah, people. No one say this. I want to tell you guys. If you don't see me do videos from 2 years ago or 3 years ago, nobody will dig it up and dash it out of social media, make it seem like say me just do it yesterday or today. Because
but not dig up nothing of that. You repost it fresh. Most of these people, them just want to see something for run with it. Them not take no time out to see if it goes so or if I resend something or what. Them just run with it. But at the same time, you can't blame the people them. Why did you put it out here? Because what? You can't avoid social media. Because social media is a slice of your bread and butter. If not the whole slice. You understand? If not the whole 2 slices, you know, social media is a slice of your bread and butter. So you're trying to find a way to stay current. And no matter if it's $10 you make or $5 you make off of the video. So you choose to do that to continue to earn. Because you know when come next month come. When you're looking at have $1 for collect. So you basically you tell yourself, so, oh, I prefer collect even $100 more than I collect nothing at all. So I can splice up some of my video there. And you never stop and think which one you're going to splice up, what message it's going to send out there until you put it out there, and people might take it and run with whether for memories or think it is current. These are the people who now don't take no time out to realize that okay, this is a long time video. She just splice up this cause Like how me a think, say you just a splice out the video them to keep your kitty building for next month pay bill. You understand? So you cannot blame the people them. Blame yourself. Unless you intentionally do it. You understand? Unless you intentionally do it. And if you intentionally do it, what you want from it is what you get from it. People will run with it and spread it. Because from what they run behind the people them with the memories, somehow long time these memories we don't know how to out like somehow in a social media. Where the elasticity on the crutches tear out and gone left, you know. You understand? No honor there for wall, you know. So no found broke out. Ah.
got a compassion towards me. First he said these people out there are talking about me. I have not done any live. All I'm doing is video from the other day. I want to have a peaceful birthday.
Lie, I tell you, do a live one day.
celebration.
One small,
And me have
must 5 minute
something what I
live.
do.
Lie, I tell.
So I want to make sure so I don't do what I do, I come back live. Also, I just went on Instagram and I see this lady here in Florida, known as Dana. You do one video where you show inside your bedroom. Me I gonna let you know, bitch, that the bedroom set the way you have. Me been have better than that.
On the listener, you know, me been people, she know people, she been in, so basically she not have none. But yet still, she said that I want a $3,000 fee, she know the price. I want to catch your name and go Google the price. Why? But yet still, she buy a bedroom set recently, where we are here about for over 7 months now, and we can't see it, for $7,000 at where she said Ashley's. But yet still, she been. So basically she not have none and she talk about people we have. Wanna listen. What me say? Pick sense out of nonsense and turn it in a sense. And that enough to do yes or no.
Give it away. Me have better than that and left that Ross in a woodland village.
So what you have now?
Me know when you talk about hotel and when you come from Jamaica, me come make that video here. You no used to nothing. I Marcia Campbell used to something. You just a experience. Nice quality.
I hardly hear Dana come out here come talk about her asset, the asset where her father leave behind. I hardly. And if she come out here come talk about it, Dana no come out here come brag upon her father asset that him leave behind. Father does rest in peace. 4x4 Exodus. Yeah man. You know, me not hear she come out here come brag upon her father asset. And remember now, he is our biological father. You come out here come brag upon people things. You come out here come brag upon land where they are country where no fear. And it's not your biological parents' own. You come out here come brag upon auntie sister place. Isn't you ashamed of bragging on people things? What you have used to, Marcia? Marcia, come and tell the people where you're used to. What is it in life that you used to, Marcia? You never own a home yet before, and circumstances probably you have to sell it or them even take it from you because you end up for hard times and can't pay the mortgage. You never ever. And that is clear to anybody at all if you're a woman who live in America for 42 years that you have no friggin' ambition. What I say? It's not like you even own a home, fall on hard times, can't pay the mortgage, and them take it from you. Or some disaster happen and you lose the home. You have never been a homeowner in 42 years into America. All you probably ever own in your life as piece of asset is the old van where you drive. We soon left your road. Because I could have never lived into America and try to live the lifestyle where you will live and drive a vehicle like that for more than a year or two. And it is so easy in certain ways than Jamaica to access vehicle. You understand? Almost everywhere in America no care all the vehicles you can trade it. Jamaica them pick and choose. So where you are coming out here come talk, say that are not used to nothing. What you used to more than the flossing when I bring you nowhere? With the two little shit you know you used to use earning in your early days, or you earn it, me don't know if I catch you used to sell, or you used to sell up your so, or what, me don't know what you used to do. Because basically the only business away from you doing the little home care service back then, what you do, where never did a turnover no money, is selling the little road sheet them what you have, and curtains and little accessories. You have no major business in a life that turn over any coins for you to live any form of life, Marcia. All of the life where you might have talked about, so you live, either you live it in your head or you live it off of people's expense. These life where you talk about or feel like you want to come out here, come say you live because you travel the world, you go some of the most expensive hotels, you this, you that, you Tara. Most of these lifestyle was off of people's expense. But because we never know until it come to the forefront that you was on private charity on most of these vacations. Private charities. Where you barely find one little $200 or $100 or $300 towards something that might cost $1,000. So what better life you live are used to more than Dana? We see Dana come from the ashes to riches, where our father wealth is concerned. They against him. Probably get fed up with the lifestyle and want to go out there to experience her own lifestyle because of the strong ambition that she have. She go away from riches and go to rags. She find her baby father, him breed her 3 times. She struggle through her life doing every little thing to make she survive. She tell you about it, selling at school gate, selling this and that downtown, make all kind of cosmetic jewelry, this, Tara, Wara, not. And she never stopped trying her life. She end up one of the most famous man in Jamaica business place and an organization I work at Sandals, she's got the Bush Throat, cleaning offices and toilets. When I cuss her day to day about cleaning toilet and cleaning this, I want to never do it yet. But it's not what you do, or what you did do. It's what you do now. It's not where you were, it's where you is now. Where are you now, Marcia? Comparing to this woman. With all the toilet and the shit where you never clean. Where are you now? To where you claim you are coming from. To where Dana is coming from and where she is now. Which one count? Which one count? Say them a go back to the past life. And we are talking about the present life. But remember, you have to know your past. If you know where you want to go. You understand? So now come out here, come talk about the woman not used to nothing. What you used to. From me know you know social media, when me know you know social media, me say you're somebody. But me never know say you know nobody. I never know say you know nobody. Because me have you somebody when me just see you. And that's why me I tell you say, people putting on a show is different from them being them real self. And that's why most of when they come in a social media, when I say people personality in a social media, it's not all the while the personality one. Sometimes I just character. Me can't come out here on social media and me boisterous, bad and me go on and me cuss up me bad over them. But when you see me in a real life, it's a total different person. But what you have to have character. And character come in different forms. Based on the type of platform where you have and the type of support where you have. You understand? And like Marcia, see her in a real life, she's the same person in a social media. It's only when she buck up on a few people, she pretend and put on a little, oh yes, nice, and put on a little smile. But make that person ever say something she don't like. everything we have seen on the social media up on the phone screen would have come out right there so naturally.
The house. You just experience big space. So stop coming social media, Donna, and make an ass of yourself. Because I know you alone have nice bedroom. I know you alone have big bedroom set. The bedroom set they want $3,000 bedroom set.
When you're 5,000 one day, I know you can't show it.
You understand? And I know big bedroom set. You have some woman out there who want $10,000 bedroom set. I know you alone.
You have some woman out there who own a 10,000 bedroom set. I know you can't hear Marcia say fear bedroom set, you know. The same 5,000 or 6,000 I know she said she buy purchase 6 months ago at Ashley's. I know you still not hear she talk about say, oh, my bedroom set when buy your Ashley's at 6 or 5. You not hear that again, you know. Just like how long no not hear that being Bodana. How long no not hear Marcia talk about she coming to Jamaica and what she give back and support march of this and march of that. When last of the year she talk about that? You know why? We never know that the whole organization, it wasn't about Marcia. I never Marcia something. Marcia just joined in because she love push up herself. But when it break out with the woman where really put this thing together and Marcia just come and try play a part and want push up herself to take position, everything bust out. You know, she talk about that no more? Marcia used to talk about every live Marcia do. When Marcia coming out here want to prove that she's humanitarian, she this and she march a peace and she terror and she warrior. Everything she used to come out and come talk about that. For prove, say the woman at 99 have not done half of what she do. But when last on the year she talk about that? When last? Where you bed the Marcia, you continue to talk about people who own and where you been have. Where you been have where you left at Woodland Village. Where is your present bed? You say you have nice apartment living now. Where is your present bed? Talk about your present bed. Come and show your present bed like how this woman can spin in her room and show for her one. Spin in your room and show your bed. Can't give away your location. You also echo like a warehouse when I have no goods.
A big bedroom set. Anybody can rent an apartment, anybody can buy a house, but it's a hope that you sell enough to maintain it.
Where you live?
You're too sure.
When you talk,
said if I'm too high,
who show up like you? It echo like a warehouse without goods.
And you are behaving too bumbleclap much now when it comes to coming on social media. But me understand that you know I come from nowhere, you're coming from a ghetto. You understand? You used to live in a shock-up place and you're wide it out. So you feel like say you can't come and drop out. I hope that wherever you rent and if you buy something, I hope.
You have the heart to say all that. Sometimes you come like you not pick and choose where your chat say Marcia. That's the thing where you don't know. And that's the thing you will never know. Ambition. She could have stuck in that shock up place as how you call it. Now no window place there has owned it said it not have no window. She could have stuck up in it. She could have squandered what she have made from her cake business and whatever business she had do. Just like how you, Marcia, have squandered every dollar you have earned. When you do your little home care work and sell crutch and all kind of sitting. And take it and you fly all over the here. Look down pan we down here. Say, yes, I'm flying over Jamaica now. Yes, I'm flying over Curacao. I'm flying over Panama. Yes, I'm going to Paris. I'm going, yes. And you name the amount of big food. Then I could have do the same thing. But ambition. She open up her little shack and way and turn it in our mansion. Our womansion. What you have done, Marcia, in her life. What you have owned in her life. You say you don't want to own nothing because you don't want the responsibility. But people for own things for you come brag about it. People for own things for you come inherit it. And talk about you have much land and country. That is how you want to live the rest of your couple years you have left, Marcia. Remember you are soon 65, you know. As your quinty year, you are 65, Marcia. And I saw you want to live, you know, make no preparation for when you can't afford to go out there go work $1. You have something at your comfort that you can ease the strain and the stress off of the person, whether one relative, CJ or your grandson, you know, ease the stress off of them. You don't think that way there? Because you don't really think about generational wealth, you know. It's only like if you are going to inherit and benefit, like how you want to get rid of the woman picnic for the money, but you say no share, right? To that when the woman drop out and you get the news, you were so happy about the news, you spend more time talking about the money and what the woman do, and as she fight you out, and she was the sister will fight you out, and see the now she not live to spend the money and all kind of sitting. 1 second of that time you take to announce that you pass when you get the message, and it was like a content for you. You start go back in a history and say a long time she been gone and this guy, them this, and God not sleep after the woman biological picnic that you know. You want money for share equal. So you not believe in a generational wealth. You only want to benefit from it, but you don't want to put it out there where it's dead. So your generation behind you, your CG, your grandpitney, your Romeo, your this, come behind, come inherit that. You just want to get up and talk about people things. And it's still your grudge people. We are create generational wealth for them pitney and them grandpitney we are going to come behind. Like nobody tell you don't do it.
That you can maintain
None
it.
ambition. You're
That is
none
the key
ambitious,
word.
you're
I
none
hope
ambition,
that you
that's
can
why.
maintain it. I hope you continue to educate them and maintain it. Because let me tell you something, America is not a bed of roses. So stay there, come by your page, and I drop word. Who want to go hotel and who don't want to go hotel? Yes.
America was a bed of roses 25 years ago, even 20 years ago. Yeah. And you are into America from in the 80s. Because you go up there as a toddler in the 70s. So, late 80s. You understand? America was a bed of roses. At one point, that's why them said, let's make America great again. Again. Let's make America great again. So it did great before. And during the time when it did great, you were there. So you don't worry about an ambitious lady who come there when it is not a bed of roses. This is what she going to use and show people like Uno. Because she come America when it is not a bed of roses and she going to show you what she going to do. Willpower, strong mind, and ability. That's why we can't stop people like we. Willpower, strong mind, and ability. That's why we can't stop people like we. The woman come America when it is not a bed of roses and you did when it was a bed of roses. Remember, the motto is, let's make America great again. So you did great before and you did when it great. What you have? And this woman has come there now when it's not a bed of roses and she going show on up. She going show on up. She going show on up. And that's one of the biggest worry right now. When she did Jamaica, only did a worry, you know. But you don't even worry more now. See it start there, the little baking in the kitchen make the whole on have tisic like when puss have tisic. You understand? The whole on chigga off. And that is just a stepping stone to keep her occupied because she don't want to sit down in the house kind of like a Jamaica. She can just jump in her vehicle and say, come fresh, come Tina, we are go up here, so we are go around this, so we are going to eat this. No, she don't know no way like that, and probably she have to depend on the pitney them and the pitney them and for them life to live. So she find little baking to occupy her time while she make her kinds instead of sit down and now make no kinds. And she have to spend kinds. And that you know what she do. Oh, you know what she come spend out so she have a now make back none. And then when she turn cruft now have something to talk about. No, she's smart. 2 smart, 3 smart, 4 smart, 5 smart. You understand? Oh, so now go live to see her downfall. She go showing up. When you look at what John Crow.
Because of Uno and because of your people them. You Dana, because of your people them. Your Planka people them. And the people we have follow up put on my business and make my business put on the drain by talking all kind of something and cursing me. You understand? And when I left Woodland Village, I went into a resident inn by Marriott, a loft, where your place where you have no big like that. Me not ask you. And me I go tell you, Dana, say, all when you have to bake 100 cake. Or 50 or 60 or 70 cake or 100 cake to make when me make on a weekly basis. Bitch, I am telling you, you Now make it.
So man say you really come out. Hey, me tell you say come like you know pick and choose to talk. You just talk because words just come out your mouth. You need to tie one bag over your face. And when you talk, you're looking at the bag and see if it come up on the bag, the bag itself, and see what you say before you say it. If Dana bake 100 cake, she can't make what you make a month. And give you another year and a half, you still not move from which part you're there. Give you another year and a half, you still not move from where you're there. And if Dana continue to bake that 100 cake, put all what she have already aside. Just baking that 100 cake. Dana can show you whether money they do or can do. But give you a year and a half. We are both about. We still not going to see you nowhere.
Amount of money when me I make on a monthly basis. You now make it. You have to be one variety cake to care on when me care on a weekly basis. And me now brag and me now boast on that. So don't worry yourself because anybody can rent a big apartment in Florida there. House cheap in Florida. You understand? Apartment cheap. As long as you have your money, your $2,000, your $3,000.
Lord God. And you know all of this. And you don't go to Florida go look at. That's all you don't want to live in Florida. You don't want this. You're going to find all sort of excuse why you want to buy a house in Florida. That you're going to do now, you know. All sort of excuse you're going to find. But you know house cheap in Florida. House cheap only for other places. So if you don't like Florida, you find somewhere else. You go to Georgia, you go to Maryland, you go somewhere else. All you want to know, you own a place. You have a vehicle. And you're top of Norris. If you feel like you don't want to drive state to state, you take an in-flight, go over. And you're going to a hotel where you're used to and spend a night or 2 or 3. But it's still, at the end of the day, when you leave the hotel, you can go back home to a home that you can call your home. But it's still, you know all this. But you don't own a home. But you're going to find excuses and you're going to criticize everything about somebody else who is well doing, man. Not buying a home yet, but you know already know say that in the making and that I got happen because all you know chatting and me telling you saying that you know afraid pan, you know. What is to come. And I want to see now you know afraid pan, you know. What you see now is just an eye opener. Just an eye opener what you see now. And it make you even fret more. And what is to come.
You can't buy it. Stop coming out of social media and brag on American people they are walk long. You just come here on a green card. You don't earn no rights yet. You don't earn no strike yet. For you come here, you don't have
What make you earn rights, Marcia?
You're on a 1099.
What make you earn
And
rights,
that's what-
Marcia?
That's what you're on. You're on a YouTube and a Facebook paperwork. You know, they're on your regular one and pay federal and state tax. So you can't chat to nobody about you where you work very, very hard.
Whoa!
So you have to go back up and pack up from that and start showing for yourself. Humble yourself. Humble yourself. I don't forget, me know say me and me not ask you. Me know say me, you're talking. But I'm going to let you know. Anybody can buy a house if them can maintain it. Anybody can rent an apartment. We have in a year house a riff-raff. Me not ask you.
And you don't have
We
nothing.
have in your house a riff-raff.
Lord God.
Burlington sitting them you have in there.
Whoa.
The piece of bag bed where you have, you know, worth no more than about $3,500 to $4,000.
You're jealous, you're bad man.
I saw apartment, as long as you have your $2,000 apartment them and your $3,000 you can rent it. Don't come up and go, you're going to drop out from people. But if you come up, don't worry about me. Me quite alright. Me not ask you, me alright. So you stay there and rub up your little dirty cake them, and your little taste bad cake them, and go to where
We are sell off your shelf and your friend own them now sell.
I'm quite alright. Because me know say me a drop out ban. Me just hear it a while ago, me know say me a drop out ban. Go on go to business. You sit down on YouTube. I have nothing to give. Chat tape foolishness and nothing to give. And go on like you're important. Me do me look a nursing work and me quite alright. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. And every tongue rise against me condemn in judgment. People me a go on my bed. Look at me nice clean face, Dana. You see, me not look tired. You look like them old
Watch a post here. I want to make it firmly. I am not playing with any of my enemies. Anyone that sent an email to any employee of mine, as long as I am not guilty of those crimes that you are accusing me of, I will find you and take you to court for slandering and defamation of character. And my supporters, I do hire a private investigator to find those people. And you, 360, let me see how long you are going to hide. For so, keep sending people to call my job and sending email that they cannot prove. I will find you before the end of this year. You can run what you can hide. You can run what you can. You can run, but you can't hide. It's supposed to be. But anyway, readers them right. Sometimes you have typo error. Run what you can hide. This is America, and first of all, we have Donald Trump in power. He's not playing. I'm glad you know that. I'm glad you know that. Okay. And I am not going to sit here and let you destroy my reputation when I know I am innocent and speak about me with your platform on a daily basis like this. Your it will come to an end. As long as I have breath in my body, breath in me, I will get you prosecuted in a court of law and take down your page from social media. Go blog about that. You will be crying one of these days, just like the time when Janet threw you out of her house before you blackmail her to stay there. I am a strong black single woman, and I am not going to sit around and let you and your followers or anybody else ruin my reputation, ruin my reputation and my character, and that I have built on social media for almost 17 years. You are all days are going to come to an end. What you are doing right now to 99? You talk about sitting where you go fast on human page. Your name no call. Your name no call. There is no clear nothing there for say you share shade. But you come out here, you start talk out our cake, them not good, or bad taste in cake, or this and our Tara and Wara. You see me I try to show you? You don't realize that the same knife I stick goat to stick sheep to and stick cow and hog and everything you can think of. You saw you're up on your platform I cry, and you're not doing anything different here. Nothing different you're doing here right now, you know. But you're up on your platform I cry. We should do every day. Make it look like, oh, you are such a victim that everybody just come at you for no reason. You have your friend them out the law. Look what them do to Marcia. Look what them do to Marcia on social media. But nobody see what Marcia is doing to people. Nobody see the fire that Marcia lit. Because what Marcia do, Marcia go around the corner so lit the fire. You know, and put a piece of zinc around the fire where she light. For shade, so by the time you pass, you don't see no fire. You only see the fire now when me go there and start blaze it up. And Marcia did start the fire. And I hide it. And someone don't know. Someone don't know, you know. But you just use Marcia and fear argument to build phone argument.
The time you didn't worry about vanity, go spend some money for your skin so you can clean up the back them and the eye and you can look refreshed and nice like Marcia.
Marcia, we're tired to sit down a foot. We're tired to sit down a two of them. I dare you if you come out here, come show your two of them. Come out here, come show your actual foot. And your two of them. When you talk about skin, Marcia, come on. Look on your knuckles, them, Marcia. Look on your finger, them, or them wrinkle up. And you're not a woman who I do day's work, where I wash. And people alone, I know I do day's work and I wash every day. Finger wrinkle up, so. And not come tell me, say, I show a winter America, because all we don't know winter America, so your hand them look. Your two of them look like some old wild yam grow a riverside. And your finger not far from them there. You can't talk about Dana skin. You know see Dana is a nice, clean, smooth black woman. Away from the couple cuts them what she have. That is not her skin, that's cut. You understand? You can't compare your skin to that one. A day you come out and come show your foot there. Come show your foot. Any day, remember you know, I come here, come out of your vehicle when you go pick up your man, you know, and I glimpse your foot, you know. You never ever one day stretch out your toe them and show them, you know. All your boast, boy, you gotta do nails, you gotta do foot, and you gotta do this. I be your nails, you show your finger them. You never one day show your foot and show how good your toe them do. Cause you're ashamed of showing your toe them. Oh.
Me not have no filter on my face. 52-year-old. Me not come out of Facebook and looking whole and tired. And me at 52 now.
I tell you already, me buck up you and Dana wake up, me run from you and me not run from Dana.
God has been good to me and me not complain. You understand? Me know my belly big and me out of shape and all of them something. But I will not say. But to me, I am a gorgeous black woman.
You know, but you still what Uno say. You know you this is your career you are as what Uno say.
If I'm too high, Lord bring me down. You see, you have to have pass you if you back you up. Marcin have to pass if you back me up. You have to have pass.
That is your problem too. That's another one of your problem. Because you know, you're so filthy in social media. And when you are running and look at the people them not interested, them just use you for content for them platform. Just like Baby Germs. You go over there and them just use you. Hey, you want to go on the live? Speak on the live. Yes, because it make great sense for him. Marcia upon him platform at all. The same Marcia will say, she done with your daughter doing this and don't call up my phone and I go and delete your number and I go and delete your page and I go and stop follow you. Wait. So how you get back do your number? You know say you go delete do your number. You forgot when you said that? You forgot when you said that? When Dwayne come out and come talk all when do for you, you say no, like a 19-year-old do it, 14-year-old do it for you, your friend, little daughter in Florida. How you say you can delete his number? And you got this so where you get back do your number? So Dwayne only use you. So true you not have nobody if come out here come stand for you because what you are doing out here is foolishness and the woman and people that stand up for you. What should you even know none of them? Some of them should never meet them at the end of them life, in our life. You feel so jealous nobody loves you. Who is the cause of that? You. You is the cause of that.
See how they back you up. Me don't have posse how they back me up. Me work by myself. And without your posse, you can't survive. Because you don't have no certificate in nothing, America. You don't have no skill in America. So
what skill she have?
Stay in the house and bake for.
And what kind of skill you have? Having a home care license, is that a skill? Eh? What kind of skill you have?
Yes, so make sure you save the money so you can go get one bakery. Because I know me I talk. I don't care who want to cost me. I don't care who want to cost me because let me tell you something. Anytime I come back to life again, I bet you know who'll not ramp with me. I bet you who'll not ramp with me anytime I come back to life again. In the next month. They come for my birthday. But I bet you when I come back out here, you don't ramp with me. I go and fix in the ass business with you. Silent River, run deep. Silent
Your river big and wide.
Because if you don't feel so, you go and come on social media and use me. I mean, isn't that so stupid? Furniture degree. You can't come America and brag on people. You just say no use nothing. I put you on camera and show in a bedroom.
What do you mean if the man can't come America and brag on people? So you know the America brag on people? When you wave your books so, no brag on people. When you fly here, there everywhere, no brag on people. When you talk about people in Jamaica where you know you own it, you know brag on people. When you talk about sister house here, there and everywhere, and cousin house and this and auntie house, no brag on people. So when people do what them do it, bother you so.
Eh? Oh, yes, so I eat your run, go buy, go make 2 gala, so you can't come show off and cheap bedroom set. Then you look at cheap 3,000, 4,000 a bedroom set. You come a cheap, you come a brag pan. You can't brag pan if it's a whole ugly something there. You cannot brag because the first in your lifetime you ever live in a space like that, where you chuck up a Jamaica, like I went bees in a hive. So you come down.
Me not go say nothing. Me not go say nothing. Me I save my energy. I feel like I talk enough.
You don't use the nothing. You see when me I put my head at night time and sleep, your place now looks so. So go and show.
Who provide that, Marcia? Despite you not showing it, who provide that place? Is it your hard-earned money? Is it your sweat, Marcia? People, place you come and brag about. People, place you come and brag about. And this is it where me can't understand with you. If me live in my fall cube, what you say, Marcia? Me fall cube over there, so I want to see me show all the while. If me live in that over there, so I feel me. And you live in a man place over there, so I when it have AC in there. I when it have what you call it there. The sitting where you use the sun for recharge it, solar, light and all them sitting there. You can't brag for me, you know. Can't of fear. The man can't come tell you come out anytime. Who can come tell me come out of me fall cool? What is yours. God bless the man that has his own. Oh.
I have one like say you alone, living a little space.
Boy, which
Anybody
part
have
you
the
put
money
to
can
your
rent a
head?
place.
And you can't show which part you
Anyway,
put your
people
head.
have a good night. I have to say
A
what I have to
month
say.
now you can't show where you
And
put
that
your
is
head.
it.
The recliner chain where you sleep in a head that you put. Anyway, my people, you know what to do. Come to the end of another video. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you like the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Go follow me also on TikTok. And follow me also on favorited Life is a Mission TV. The YouTube link is in the comment section pin. Life is a Mission TV YouTube channel. Go follow me and support the channel. And remember, the cash app is there. You ask her to get it. $ Charms and Trends. When you give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy. Alright? And please remember, go to the website and purchase a merch. Support the merch. Support the merch. Speak my mind merch, caps and t-shirts. Support the merch. Alright? Very affordable. Check out the website, charmsandtrend.shop. Check the Instagram page, charm_and_trends on Instagram. Alright? And wanna follow me on TikTok or follow me on TikTok. Life is a Mission TV. And I'm not over there to beg Lion, Zion and Pell. If my people come over there or a stranger come and scroll and see me and decide that they want to entertain by me with what me I do and want to give me, they are free to give me. But at the same time, I'm not going to come and beg no Lion or no Zion, no Whale or no Pale. If you feel free to give me, go ahead and do so. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm out.